Welcome back to Zakima's Ridge Homestead. If you saw our last video, we installed this Coop controller gate control for our chicken coop, and it did not work. So today, we're going to try and fix that.
Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're glad you're here.
Okay, hopefully the sun glare is not too bad. I'm doing this in the morning. The sun's right shining at me here. Okay, after installing this, when you turn it on, you got a solid green power light, a flashing status light, and a solid battery condition light. If you push, it'll flash for about 30 seconds, then it shuts off. If you push the cycle button, it'll wait a second or two. You get those 5 beeps. It'll do that every 10 seconds. I sent all that information to Ghost Controls, and they said it probably has a bad board. In all honesty, I think when I hooked this up in the last video, I hooked the battery up backwards, which probably is what damaged the board, because it did work in testing when I first installed it. So they sent me a new board and also a return shipping label at no cost. So we will unplug the alarm wire, unplug the photo eye, unplug the power switch, take the 2 wires off the motor, take the 2 wires off of the solar controller, or the solar charger rather. Go ahead and unplug the battery and remove these 4 Phillips head screws around the corner on the control card. Okay, we'll take the old control card out. And we will install the new one in reverse order. Boy, this is going to be interesting. The sun is in my eyes so bad I can't even hardly see in here where the holes are at to put the screws. Oh, this is horrible. I guess this is one of the disadvantages of working second shift. You got to do everything in the morning, and the sun's not always your friend. Okay. Alright, screws are all in. Now let's put our battery back in, making sure that the red goes on the red and the black goes on the black. And we'll plug, let's see, where's the solar? Here's the solar. Oop. Let's switch that back to straight. Again, we're using the little screwdriver that they provide with the kit. There's the solar hooked up. The photo eye, power switch, the arm motor, and the annunciator alarm, and we're all hooked back up. So now we'll power it up. Well, I've got the same thing, but we are cycling. There it opens. And there it closes. I believe I read someplace where it said that flashes like that, it's because the photo eye is changing states. So I guess that must be normal, but at least we don't have the beeps, and the arm does function. So all that's left to do now is we need to monitor how things work with the chickens. There's 2 pots on here. One's a delay closed. It can be from 0 up to an hour. So we'll put that maybe like 45 minutes or so. And then we have 0 to 60 minutes on the delay open. Guess we'll back that off a hair to like maybe 20 minutes, rough guess. So now we'll have to come out here at night and see if, oh, I'm sorry I didn't have you open the box to see that. This is the delay closed, this is the delay open. So we'll come out here tonight after it closes and make sure everybody is in. And we'll have to see in the morning what time it opens. We're not really worried at this point as far as predators go. We fenced the entire property last year with wire fence. So the chances of getting a coyote or a fox up here are pretty slim now, because we have lost a lot of chickens to predation over the years. We're thinking from fox, but with the new fence up, it'd be pretty hard for them to get in. We've had no issues with the chickens since we fenced, so we're thinking we're pretty safe on that. So can't complain about their customer service at all. They never did email me back. I just got a shipping notice that they were sending me a board, which is fantastic. I think these replacement boards like $99, but they have an 18-month warranty on them. Apparently, even if you're stupid and screw it up, you have a warranty on them, which is good. So that's the Coop Control chicken door opener. It works. We'll see how well it functions with the chickens, but this will save us from coming out here at 10, 11 o'clock at night. Oh shoot, we forgot to close the chickens up, and have to close them up. This will do it automatically for us. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely recommend this, especially if you have a wooden frame, because that's what it's actually designed for. I had to modify it for this metal frame, but it appears to work well now, and I definitely recommend it. Again, not sponsored at all. We did buy this ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and you have a wonderful day.